Hi, my name is Muhammad Shamsuddin bin Isman. My ID number is 202382766.
Hi, my name is Eva Shanas binti Yusuf. My ID number is 2023-805-332.
Hi, my name is Faraz Lahenzan Alatim. My student ID is 2023664796.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is interest calculated on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. It's a way for your money to grow exponentially over time, as interest is earned not just on the initial amount, but also on the interest that has already been added. This is the formula for compound interest S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of M times T. The term used in formula stands for S, future value, P, original price, K, interest rate, M, frequency of conversion, and lastly, T, interest period.
What is annuity? Annuity is the present value of an annuity is the sum of all the present values of the individual periodic payment. Present value must be at the beginning period of an annuity. There are two formulas in this chapter, which are future value S equal to R in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of MT minus 1 over K over M. And to find an interest, we need to use I equal to S minus RTM. Next, to find the present value, use formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of minus MT over K over M. And to find an interest, use formula I equal to RTM minus A. The term used in formula stand for S future value, A present value, R periodic payment, I interest rate per interest period, and term of investment.
Hi, I am Gareth Love. Today, I am responsible to explain how to solve question 1. The question is, Arik deposit 7,800 at ABC Bank, which pay interest at a rate of K, compounded semi-annually. After 5 years and 7 months, the amount accumulated was 12,216.90. A. Find the value of K. B. Find the interest earned. For question 1a, the formula used to find the value of K is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M power of MT. 12,216.90, which is the amount of S equal to 7,800, which is P in bracket 1 plus K over 2 power of 2 multiplied by 5, 7 over 12. Next step is the amount of S over the amount of P equal to in bracket 1 plus K over 2 power of 11.17. After that, the total of the MT, which is 11.17 root of 1.566269231, the answer for S over P equal to 1 plus K over 2. For the last step, the answer for the 11.17 root of 1.566269231 will be minus by 1. We will then multiply it by 2 and 100 to find the value of K. So, the value of K is 8.20%. To find the interest earned on question 1b, we use the formula of I equal to S minus P. 12,216.90, the amount of S will be minus 2, 7,800, which is the P. By that, the total interest earned is 4,416.90. The next question is question 2. 9 years ago, an amount was invested at a bank that offered an interest rate of 7% compounded quarterly. Today, the balance in the account is 9,337.04. A. Find the amount invested 9 years ago. B. If the bank changed the rate to 5.7% compounded monthly, find the accumulated amount at the end of the next 4 years. For the question 2a, we use the formula of S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M power of MT. The amount of S is 9,337.04 equal to in bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 4 power of 4 multiplied by 9. So the total of P is 9,337.04 over 1.8674072666. The answer for 1 plus K over M power of MT, and the final answer for P is 5,000. For question B, we use the same formula for the question A earlier. So S equal to 5,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.057 over 12 power of 12 multiplied by 4, and the answer for S is 6,277.04.
Hi, I'm Kishan. Today, I want to present question 3. Julia invested 6,000 ringgit Malaysia to an account that pays 6.2% compounded every 2 months. 3 years later, she need to withdraw 2,000 ringgit Malaysia. Question A. Find the remaining account balance 7 years after the investment was made. Question B. Find the interest earned after 7 years of investment. This is the solution for question 3A. S equal to P 1 plus K over M power of M multiplied T. S equal to 6,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.062 over 6 power of 6 multiplied 3. So the answer is 7219.64. Next is the solution for question B. S2 equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M power of M multiplied T. S2 equal to 5219.64 in bracket 1 plus 0.062 over 6 power of 6 multiplied 4. So the answer is RM6680.25. We need to find the investment, so we use the formula I equal to S minus P. S6680.25 minus 14000. So the answer is RM 2680.25 cents. then deposit 3,000 ringgit Malaysia at the end of each year for 5 years in an investment account. She then leaves the money in the account for an additional 15 years. The account gives 6.5% interest compounded annually to the investor. Question A. How much is the account worth at the end of the 20-year period? Question B. Calculate the profit earned from the investment. Let's move to the next question. Question 4. We need to use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M power of M multiplied T. S1 equal to 3000 in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 power of 1 multiplied 1. We will get 3,195 ringgit Malaysia. Second year in bracket 3195 plus 3000 in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 power of 1 multiplied 1. So we will get the answer for S2 is 6597.68 ringgit Malaysia. Third year in bracket 6597.68 plus 3000 in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 power of 1 multiplied 1, and then we will get the answer for S3 is 10221.53 ringgit Malaysia. For the fourth year in bracket 10221.53 plus 3000 in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 power of 1 multiplied 1, and then we will get S4 is 14080.93 ringgit Malaysia. While S5 in bracket 14080.93 plus 3000 in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 power of 1 multiplied 1. The answer is 18191.19. Last but not least, to find how much is the account worth at the end of the 20-year period is by using the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M power of M multiplied T. S6 18191.19 in bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 1 power of 1 multiplied 15. So the final answer is RM 46784.85. For question B, calculate the profit earned from the investment. So we need to use formula I equal to S minus P. I equal to 46784.85 minus 15000, and then we will get answer RM 31784.85.
Question 5. A person pays back his car loan by monthly installment of 550 ringgit. The finance company charged an interest of 4.5% compounded monthly. However, when she was retrenched, he defaulted on his 12, 30 and 40 payments. Determine the amount that he must pay for the next installment so that the schedule of the remaining installment remains unchanged.
Solution for question 5 is using formula S equal R in bracket 1 plus K over M power of M T minus 1 K over M. R is therefore 550 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 12 power of 12 times 4 minus 1 0.045 over 12. The answer is 2,212.41 cents.
Next, let's solve question 6. Henry buys a house that costs 500,000 ringgit. After paying a 10% down payment, he borrows the balance of the purchase price from a bank. The interest on the loan is 4.8% compounded monthly. Henry agrees to settle the loan by monthly installments over a period of 30 years. A. Find the value of each monthly payment. B. The interest paid to the bank. C. After paying for 10 years, Henry was asked to declare his asset as part of an investigation into corruption. This includes listing the outstanding balance of his housing loan. Calculate the value of outstanding balance of his housing loan.
To solve question 6a, first we must find the 10% of down payment, which is 500,000 multiplied with 10% equal to 50,000. And then 500,000 minus with 50,000 equal to 450,000. To find the value of each monthly payment, we are using formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus K over M power of negative MT K over M. 450,000 is then for A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.048 over 12 power of negative 12 times 30 0.048 over 12. Then we will get 190.60 R equal to 450,000. We will move the R to left. Then R equal to 450,000 over 190.60. The answer for R is 2,630 ringgit and 99 cents. To solve question 6b, we are using formula I equal to RTM minus A in bracket 2,360 ringgit 1999 cents multiplied with 30, then multiplied with 12 minus with 450,000. Then we will get 3999.5640 cents. For question C, to calculate the balance of his housing loan, we are using formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus K over M power of negative MT K over M. 2,360 ringgit 1999 cents in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.048 over 12 power of negative 12 times 20 0.048 over 12. Then we will get the answer. The answer is 363 and 12.75.